years ago, like most young people, I was clueless as to what I wanted to do and which institution would help me realize a dream of a great career. What better place to pursue this dream than Blue Crest College? With state-of-the-art lecture halls and experienced lecturers, as well as equipped computer labs, Blue Crest is indeed the right starting point. With courses in technology, business and energy management, Blue Crest is the one-stop institute for everyone who's looking to have a good career. Enroll now. Visit www.bluecrest.edu.gh or call any of the numbers on your screens now. Blue Crest College, education for life.
When I said so about now Zion Felix, Ghana boy and Ewaha and a lot of things for us to talk about today on the show. So don't blink an eye, don't skip anything, just watch everything. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Why enjoy our film number 5 Ghana cities? So what UK, what Germany, what France, what Belgium, what Italy, and a Hollander. Download tap send application. Na fasten this car every amount for our or more Ghana ha. Usha for us and muska no so to so kwabuche no utime dwo mo men ko di lines so nenko send this can bounce by go di lines no tap send application about phone so mobile money usania it comes straight to the person's phone. We so now Ghana ha now pay taxi hailing service and also pay taxi car a private car area runs there and just so to download this Swift Wheels app, download order a ride Google Play Store, iOS Store with me download the now with me order a ride me in touch and so a make up call 0249916150 Panama Cosmetics almost so no about cosmetic products almost shop nebu alaba kuma so akran so I had cho taxi ranko and Las Palmas La Paz opposite one Panama Cosmetics almost shop Many Ghana boy, as I said earlier, and be kasa. Papa, me mom ache.
Yeah, I'm fendum kanu mu.
Chibia boko de.
Adom ntimi ho ye pa.
Yeda erade ase. Ye hwe Ghana boy, ebia it will be 2000, 2005, 2010. Na ebia edi ne sane no new na suma.
Okay.
Yeah, de in Ghana boy, but new ones na ba ne ka Ghana boy when.
Well, Ghana boy a comedian musician. Misha from local school kwada so wie and then me join a concert party.
Yeah, Benano.
1996. The late Bobo Kala Yabude omuna dimiura concert party mo. And then minimum Nyamiadom 99 mitimi be winning award first runner up comedian best comedian in Ghana.
Yeah, was no.
Best comedian in Ghana.
Okay.
National Theatre who is Suki Sub concert party. Okay. Yeah. And then
one winners are here.
99 Bobo Kalane a winner and I remember first runner up. And then the year 2000 and also me maintaining my position with Asasia Bain. Nyamia dum wodi e konante Canada. E koyi shows you need the late Dasibe Jamana. Yeah, and then from there no.
Eja ko nwini bi da.
Jako die ne ye after me wie no ono so ba first one up sa ono ne abusia. That was the year 2002. Okay. Yeah.
Now time we concert party, most people know you for concert party. Unya bibi free concert party me tia unya oye ejapade we out of concert party.
No kwe o muni say concert party no ye nye sika bi amfrim but my eboa yen say the make no Canada me kwaye no sponsorship aban na de kwaye Niki Soap for ye ntua hwe na my exposure enti say theater hall payment in there na enya ahe bia but ebie kwan maye ama even say from Canada kora me tutu kwan ko US no mo ne ade kakra fine enti at least beka say boa me
enti okay yan for concert party day where nya any ejapade bi amfrim but wangasa wonam na tutu kwan no so timi ye bibi.
Yeah, kakra nyame adom. On say me ko Accra as a hustler. Even me da bontin for 3 years. Na me need ankra me dem wo Accra. But nyame adom me do baby na me amitimi me hu say me baby am te okay.
E wo Accra se.
E wo Accra, yeah.
Na oja ho ba Kumasi.
Yare kakra na be bo mu. That was the year 2007 to 2008 and Sebi me free US buy na me benya ni fra yare a se me no kase me huna de me ni fra but ɛno nti na nam so me family wo Kumase ɛna Accra hɔ no me nyo bi ama ne support me na won suso me mu nti na ɛsɛ me back to Kumase na ja me be stay ha nti na mama be pie Kumase.
Let's still stay on concert party before we come to other matters. Concert party no for how long?
Oh, since 1996 dear. Me ya be pay the year 2008 I make say me nya problem no.
It was like more than 10 years, 12 years.
Yeah. Me woman even as a comedian no at the same time me sound for me group. I Asempa concert party. I was the youngest me fan say guy am to me forming me group. Among if it Edikanfo any other me young guy am to me forming me group. Yeah, I'm training crofo bebre A1 Abusia Abenkwan Shaba bebre bi enum nyina me training wo mo so be heroes. Yeah.
Now also we hear concert party a Ejako fi concert party mu Akobetu fi concert party mu and we have other people me say do
Christian Awuni Achebruwa yeah.
Even Santo Kra concert party no free. Yeah. Omunyina no eba mainstream movies ani ni omo Ejako especially omo comedy no omo senkwa emehe. I don't one for when we moving him because you say they are still vibrant.
Just like me kind no sa movie ni start na me US. Enti me be do Ghana kra no me ankasa me produce me movie. Me tu ni din boni aye. Se metimi aka se me na me di che wa twa movie first. Me ankasa na me produce a movie na efe ni boni aye. Efiri won me twitwa kakra movie ma me ba yi amanfo di hwe me yie pa ye Wazinga eno no me ni jokuto no mo ni makafrane no mo wayosi ne inti movies ni sumcha kakra but man ko bebre to say de we no mo ye no because na me wa kwantium ti me bedu na say omodi kan but me sumi di me hu wura mu kakra
bone na true life story na the na say just movie title
no on say me call US no as an actor na me nko na me wo ho nti me use my dream say anytime bia me wo free say de bia nka gina ha yedi nkomo yi no mama camera capture me nti me bedu Ghana no na me develop a story about it nti akwai say me free Ghana no betu kwan na makwa aba nti me de stars ni bebre akrobeto ka ho okala no mo mesama onipa bebre kwa me piece no mo na me de mo blend na de sa movie no.
Nti after concert party 12 years 2008 ABC and net 2020 close to 12 years and not 12 years.
Yeah.
Ghana boy then away
Sisia no on say ni frane ba eniti no ama me bibia me san start class 1 eche say na me ni sa hoto no beba hospitals ni ade doctors for ye o ma famu die bia o ma ntumi ba ne say me spiritual side asofofo okwa ha tuawe ntimi bibia ye den collapse but thank God say na me music efeni say career no and I say talent no me mu so me dem wura music no for now as you see an music na me dey me and at the same time sometimes so me hear radio kakra yeah
the word the final keeps coming so I don't think we can skip it. Let's go there in case about the kakra be obi and then the first time I see everything about it.
Okay.
Was it 2008 and started? How did everything start?
Well, me started 2007 when me say me ni ba kwa started ya me BBC kakra. Na say me hwa de na me hu no dim. So when me tu na mo call hospital. Nti no doctor for check here na mo say omu hu problem bia wani no ho. Nti no from one hospital to another. Me nante ho in fact it do baby na many right na de call na ka left no nko and me also at the same time na me artist I me draw nti mani de na hu hia me pa but me tu ho na mo bia anyeye later me hu say other one so start it just say me ye nti me anyeye I find say ni na de call off nti early 2008 na ni na call off kra me hu biem me hu hwe biem be sinne am no ka say
Oko hospitals doctors for say omu what the corporate as I know omu say what the corporate
kra doctors omu hwa omu say omu hu problem bia when you know say even say ka surgery kra nko mayama me doctor ba kokra de omo German doctors bi omo free German ba oyoko omo ka do mo sin ko me free because omo hu me our videos mo ni ade ti no mpema sem ba omo say omo hu bibia che say omo ye surgery yeah
na physically omo na asofo so hu na spiritual
asofo no de me pese me condemn obi adwuma but asofo a me nim sen ko mbetimi aboa me no obi a me ko ni nchen bia na story o kan different omo nka asem ba ko obi a kan dey different nti na ma me so kra nipadua ma confused we say o ma me nua bi we say wadamfo we say wadwuma na omo be kan so at the same time so no solution the yan se ko first say bra the only nipa metimi abona baso say ebia o catch them say on dey ohun hwe ni mo dey obetimi ayama me an say me ngiska na me nkoso an try hospital ayo so fu kirabosom on dey o catch them say nukure ni obo mpa ma me ohun hwe ni mo hospital obetimi support me anytime o ma me ska de ko say me nkoso an check ni ehwede nyame beye yeah but aside that in there
say no ogusu e ko check up
yeah o ma me ko
so from 2008 to 2012 when active like that
da be make us say yes and no I just say talent e umi mu no ani ma mpesa me de ye me push ma hu bibi wo Ghana ha say we disable na ko pe chance bi o ba bi a e din for instance radio adwuma ya make us me ye ebia me tise radio bi bo test ebia me commitment ye we but omu nim say obetumi ayo but odwen ho say na nipa ekura hu ade da ben na odi kai kofa no na hwan na be ye say ntubon say ombe ye konebra and then the music no so amafa no so no sabi obeko studio obetue ska obe record uwie nso a uhia promotion ni nyina iska sem nti ama say meninamu meninamu
so o ye wo ma
well me won kwada 2 oba ba ko be ma ba ko but eno kura ni sempi recent we say yare hu asemti no me ba girl this year ya me no kase ya wawari on the 12th of January yentimi amoma ne ya wo me ba girl o wawari ya amoma ne me bisa ne mame a ensem o ka che me na enhye nkuran because any ferry say bi wodi ni frani be kwa kogye na chi se ne papa ana say see but me di ni nyina manyankopon but me ba boy ne de nyame anim ne wo me nchen
ti o yare ni no o yina jawo
there be media na nkoya ware me di kan wo ya ansana yeah me ura industry ni mu
o mienu nyina oba wako
da bi obi ane ne maame
ti oba na ye panyin
be man na ye panyin na oba no toso yeah
intino na obusa ni bia nim so oba ko ware
obi anim o ma mo ebusa ni bia mane o ma mi ankasa kwa ya mo mamane na house o mbebo ma busa ni amane
kuma se ya by or hwesen ke bia meye ni dede na e betwe man so no me di ni nyina manyankopon because me wo me life no de me nkwan hu hia me chen ewi asim de ekoso bia enti sa na ekotie nkasa ha nkasa plenty into interview no so sale papa no uma menya no mamenya on attention ni yam 9 months papa nya no na hwe sa so wana hwe ba no
oh yeah me hwe na ma ni du GHS on so obewura SS mu na me problem e bai.
Hi, I'm Nana from TapTapSend. TapTapSend is a mobile app that enables money transfers from Europe to Ghana without charging any commission or sending fees. Why should you send with TapTapSend? It's easy to download, the rates are excellent, and there are no sending fees. Where can you download it? On your mobile phone on the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Just type in TapTapSend and the green bird should appear. And there you have it. Tap tap and send money today. If you have any further questions, call our free number. To stay up to date with all the latest updates, follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.
Nti sabrande na meka se mehwe na me boa but ono so ya we said ya tumini but ono free honey nti no akura no de nko ni problem because she was trying to come to me but the mama no protecting from her to me say you know akura ntimi di dwane ade nyina breme but mama no hu ye na no start create a problem a whole lot and I decided to not to talk about it. What I say me see nyankopon na ye bibia because me asebi me boss bobu kala kura no na onyare o me momi kwasra no a ono kwa na odi areho ma me anabisa ne ono nte ase ti se me if I'm alive na me ti ase a me danya me ase on me chero no.
First born how many years?
Oh, on the 20s.
Na get on the side. But why you not friend?
My friend go on family call.
Wow. Okay. So let's go to the music.
Okay.
From 2008 to now, how many songs have you released?
You know the mekasa mekan mean to mean kind. But once and then music and I quite say, oh yeah, this all the two net. Said the first thing can see this near the no. But me yeah sense cash into nina good them. Only recently na jawawa da Roma ba ku fufuro yam dia bay. What me kra man crofo ati say BBC but and I'm say last 2 years we release back everybody money day for somebody's pocket. I don't know Kofi Adoma when Kofi TV at Roma. Me share opinion bi our US ma we na adwen say obeso me mu. Me ne sign contract 5 years. But nipa odi me share ne sa wa ha no. Ono so ntimi anso ne mamu ye. Nte ko ba say party ways. Yeah, nti video kura twa kura no ntimi an show no one day kura da. Papa ne de no kura ni. Se me simi yini boni aye Nyankopon betua me ka de o US no. But the owo Ghana ha na odi me share ne sa no. Wa amboa me. Ana me de besi me life mu bia me ka se me de asedama nyame. Because me ka se me ko twema nso a me ne na sign contract 5 years. Nti kam won kwan say bia me so me siw no but me gide nipa nka say ye gide. So I say me jabi bia man kana me life must go on.
Nipa na owo Ghana ha na ono ye adwuma na on boy adwuma ne no. Did you report him to ne senior na wabroche no?
Me kan nyina kire papa no. But I don't know onu momu no the onu wo Ghana ha no mu try so be condemn me papa no. In some way bra radio studio ne bibia papa no recording studio live band bibia wo konongo. Ana me mu kumase a. Ana look at me by once obi ne kita me nsa. Ana me nso me dia bibia sima koma so say talent na wumi mu no anya me nkwa me dia me hwe afi obi ho enti ni nkwala bebre a se be me di o me chekere o mo ne mani so enti se me kokko no ho no ma de o ya available na me de ne ko se me koye nwum a ebia girls ni bi na me de ne ko ye nko ne ko back nwum no ma me but onu use this advantage in report to papa ne say me ba me be ye ma asem me de ma e na ba ho yeah me wan so me ba no me ntimi nante me nko me ntimi nante enti me ba studio be record na so abaye di machi no be record a na bebia me da woda bia nti me boni amaye no nti na koye se wo condemn wo ba wa masem no obeye sabi anka ma dia se metena kumase ya ade nti no se me fruka akoko no so ho nti a whole lot yeah
na wo masem
oh min ka se sam ye nipa but me nya ne se de ono ka no me ye nipa e den definitely one day me so metime hia me ho ka for but me nya ne se de ono de na adwene bu ya na o kan se ebia me de we ba nne na suki na me de we aba nti no me change girls ana bibisa on de me chiro no omunyo musua de free me nchen nti na me de we ko no konya experience the next time no me the next person be ko no nso akohu de yeye problem ni nyina ne ho
but is worry
no me worry
no o ba ne te
me nyanya bi for now because the enti me nyanya bi no se ma sitere mu ankasa no me ndi me ho saa me ndi me ho because on say nipa de sabi me tinkran me yemedwuma no me a me de me ho me kita me dan me bibia but then me hye obi nsa nti wo ko ware de na waboa wo ho preko so ho yeah enu nti na me so me try say me maye music ne na one day e bia nyame ma dom na say ene ma fade a so me a me timi dan papa bi mu na me bibia de a ene wo ware oba nim so wo ma ne dwetire wo ye na dwuma so ho but then e ko for oba betena wo so o kwa unya bi ma no ono so bede na obegya wo akwa na sese yeah
nti o tinka na ye wa wo fie
oh na nya me fie ba na me live okay yeah na me live okay
ni one on the abane finishing
ni one title ya mepe o si ade a odi bia mepe ade a ye no bia so mepe
ade di bia o pa ade no bia so pe
yeah
I hope say fried rice was na aka
oh nya fried rice se bibia ye di bia anything choppable
me freestyle
o si ade a odi biara mepe mepe ade a wonu bia so mepe mepe ade a odi biara mepe ade a wonu bia so mepe na me di word bi be show nkrofo nti ase me say etwa enwu igusu mipo sorry etwa enwu igusu mipo nti omo nti word ni ye but enne na me kan word ni ye me say eto a enwu egusu
so what the saying
omo fa ni different
omo fa ni different
etwa enwu igusu mipo o so fa wadwen bu
so me pay Ghana boy me pay when feature will be our no Ghana boy me pay what the producer
beat no was produced by Apia but skasem de miana ma de kakra
one pump is kind to it
yeah me ni bi but ajame so me kwa o mada roma Apia no ohumi a de hia ne se metumi ayi kakra du no whole studio se chance wo nkwa de oba record me enti no omu nyina anya ono nkwa Freddy Beat Nana Fin Remedy Samenu mu nyina in fact Montana omu nyina ye sound engineers a anytime I call on say enwum o ma no nkwa de a ombe ya ma me yeah enti nya mi hira o mo so
watch video
mi ntwa video
butwa
mi nya metwa nanso na aka fa me ko no
ti nyamwa
mi hiamwa pa
mo be no hia
mo mi hia sisi aye sisi ano me pese me ye burden to the society ana sebi babia mabo bra koduru no nya afi na me ko gina keji ti akosese coins enti me hia obi a obe pompi ni sika sebi o manage me say oh me manage Ghana boy because anyum na hyema funum ni makoma mu ma every day me kase ma ye anyum fofora metumi aye enti me hia obi a obe so me mo say o ye de o manage me sometimes ya na nipa feel say bia me kama se me say me de me yare sika ma say Nyankopon so mani mpale me ni bi de me ni bi se fi wakoma mu na do me say o chembi amaji but me nya madwen say me de me yare sika but me hia obi a obe so mo say o manage me because nyema ewu mi mu no say comedy no ko afi na ye more yeah comedy no say me de bibi fufura ba ye fe no come music ni ye comedy slook music a new thing kra me na me develop sa de no
I know anything
me papa bobu kalati ase no ye but na o mani nsisi so say me ni udi nkomo story ye di ye me pe ho nkomo nti se me to nwom de ya me to nwom e fa me pe ho onse o kala betima ka choba asem owi anu akwakoto ebia different song abeshim but me asem na me ka na ho nwom na meto abesi so aha nti se ebia me ka kodu asem a manu besi na kodu ho nwom to aso in a comic way yeah bibi fufuro kra me dia ba yeah
in case of person bowa no bay
oh me number ni 0247
mobile my number na nye dem for free
yeah me number ni 0247 10 44 30
10 44 30
yeah 0247 10 44 30
okay
yeah
so we're gonna have that's the mobile money number MTN right
yeah
0247 10 34 44 30
yeah.
10 44 30 0247 10 44 30
yeah
so we're gonna have that's the number it also
Samuel
Otu and a registered name on the phone but only Ghana there now UK, Germany, France, Belgium, Italy, and a Hollander. Makacho said download the tap send application. No, never send this kind of money. So download there, use the code ZARIN first. We got £5 amount for free. Then send the money to him. Download tap send application either on Google Play Store or iOS Store. Now send there. That is his number. Now they are sending. And only these countries are about this one. I'm sure you know how to send money to people in Ghana via mobile money. You can just sit at the comfort of your home and then send money to him. No, it's me at their boarding the carrier. So I say, I mean, aside the money, any other thing you have the money as well. Say, phone, son of my friend.
Oh, will be a friend.
So just call and then help him. Anyway, where do you want to see it go?
Oh, minimum saying you will be because the one from the studio na appear cast and you with and say me delay home in din hu agro kra na memfa Nyankopon so na wase say won so wote enwom no wan so nim say the enwom no sitie and I believe say with the support of one media no me dam mu nyina so ase Ghana media nyina nhranka Nyankopon say mu nyina mo ma me attention into with the support I know say you will be far yeah I believe say you will be far.
Now let's look at who has been helping you since unye ejuma gidigidi bia na nyom so no as afi na pick up comedians when jai ska unya and I'm sure so you've spent all of them on your sickness. Who has been helping you all these years?
Nyankopon first one Nyankopon na oboa me because nyame anka obi akoma wontimi nya boafo ɛna sebi ebra na me mani mfra no me so na me obi a me ya adoye kakra enti me nam kra me timi ko hia obi a mani na me ho so o me nua e bia gi kakra we e bia wo so ka wo ma me nua ba ko Accra fan Richmond otonia ma Rollins Park o wo ma no asende kakra ma me nua gito bibi nipa no bebre but ye industry no mu de nipa wo nam na wo hia na ka chen se me senyankopon hia na akrobeto ni nipa always odidi no kai me ena me nua ba Christian Awuni me nka se omo maka ni nyebi but me ntimi mubodi ni nyina yeah but de minim ni se omo a any moment any time o kai me e akrobeto Christian Awuni abusua ene enchiwe no bebre but yeah kakra omo adawroma ena jame so me sakoma no ena me nua osaje fo nso osaje fo Kingdom FM yeah on so ni bia on so be aboa me on ma me sade me hu radio mu as you say
to your radio
yes you say nyame adom Friday bia mo Mind FM 105.1 ba wa onim enkamusem so I just me per se ni party me nka sa malai Friday anwumre 7 to 9
your comedy
yeah me comedy every Friday 7 to 9 105.1 University of Education Winneba Kumasi campus.
Okay. Yeah. Timbo Bompire na Bobiama Christy ene Akrobeto for always helping him so that they can also get more and help him more. Unis kalbe bwana impabona and also utimi ebona de bwana. Concert party. Okay, concert party. One name that comes to mind. Christo Asafo.
Efritete.
Yeah.
Christo Asafo. Eddie Kanfo. King Karu. Asempa.
But you say no, say Apostle Chris for kind of for concert party pa.
Of course.
The team baby.
Yeah.
Does he know your condition?
No, he doesn't know.
I don't want it to.
Dabi. On say on any group Chris Asafo said the okano. Anu yem commode Akrobeto me say do any belly num. But me di can join na Efritete. Kumi wa no mo. Ansa na later me be ye me group Asempa. Yeah. Until no son and so okay.
But I don't know man since I mean munya more time and I must see number so.
You see, I I say interview my interviews be brain na me mpese ase de bia na nkwan ho asem but I believe say near bia one day e bia on so be hwe me one channel bia na we bia on so be hu but me ni ase say me ko ne nchen say papa e bia say on say ni nyuma doso
Akrobeto papa no
enti de ono be ye na Akrobeto ye no enti say ono ya one day say papa na nkasa so hu no a ne kana koma me gidi say on so betima ye den abem.
Ghana Boy has a new song as our friend Mepe. Just Google Ghana Boy Mepe. Ghana Boy is a comedian. He's been doing this since 1996. Kizo concert party. I mean, more after 96 year, you've watched him severally. We are early 90s born, 80s before the money, but young ones now about maybe 2000 and 2001 but when the concert party, he was one of the few people now Omani TV, so there be an GTV. What's your memorable event or concert party? I say to live in our concert party like as a now okay.
To live me share me kai ba ko ye papa bia opedufu de pepa ade afu bia na ope. Nti one day na wada na oti say amanfo ye dede woni window achi. E de asem na yesu ka bo ai nantwie. Na nantwie ni wura nso so ye kremoni. Na kremoni so de abo a wanku no wonwe da. Inti man sori na o kramoni ni se obia opebia kotwa bi free wonde wono wompe ana manfo twanam cha manfo twanam na omu twanam ana man yi sori na friend ma na omo fa pan ne sekan omu kotwanam man no so kɔ no sense na wada nti o hyenika boka onhye supporter onhye hwe wase ana adufudi penti okɔ na okɔtena anam no so se de be ya nkrofo ntwa nanim nti onu nya kwa twitwa ne mo nti se oguso wo twa na nipa ne dɔso o twa na nipa ne dɔso nti se na ne ba bia liki wase ho ono so ehu nti nukure ni watwa nam na wie nti osole ya no hu se malusu weight ɔde nsa bɔ na ya se no se ba bia yira na nipa no so dɔɔso nti ɔfɛre sɛ ɔbɛka kyɛ obi sɛ o obi atwa me body to gyina no ɔbɛka gu asum jack apart from ntwena hu different meat bia wɔ nam
Oh, Charlie, I mean, okay. Concert party. Have you missed it?
Of course. Of course.
I say omguzu wana.
One say me mu Kumase ana Accra no ma start. But mama ka say me nkyerɛ o. Ye try say dey ade no beba back, but enye easy. Sponsorship. Say Kumase for na gather ye ho kra say pese ye de ba. Aye di nkomo ne culture center director mu na share meetings. Me still me da so ye, me gina stage ade me ye na chen first no. But sponsorship na igusu aye hwehwe. And I said definitely beba back.
But do people still have interest in concert party?
Yes. Me said that sometimes more air. Me said that two man crofo say yemfa concert party mbra. And utimi so bia ni abrese yemfa mbra. Say movies no form. On say movies no ye pagya ni gidigidi ya take form. And a concert party there sebi Sunday afternoon be wapon wa soro wa betina wa enjoy yourself for be 2-3 hours. I mean enye bad. Yeah, intimi say ye timi ye bibi ebeboa.
Wo mo comedy those days any they now boys ne na. It's so you woman I say the senate
difference room ni say we are sick onenim. Yeah time ne di chalk ne ade painti enim. Ansa na wo bedu na wanim na painti no kwa attract audience no. Ansa na nsama obeka aka ho but any comedy according to different level. Me say me nya comedy painti menim biem. Asem na film anum ba na ne hia. Because Nigerian comedian be no be painting enim. Inti na de na wo se yekoso painting enim. Ti difference abem. But the worst na you use no. Ana sabi titi no na ebinum use worst bi ana me mani nye ho. Me ma ye bi da but I've regret doing so. So be just say me be jimi akọ. Oh those words nya na emwa yen. Because I'm unye jimi for. Dia efri wanu mu ba na be mani pa ne yagene. Why don't you do it? Na fe na obeka chen ko say me be jimi akọ.
Omo ebo mo modi.
Enwum bia ne na sa. Ye mra ne ye de ne ye boye ho modin. Ene ne so omo so de omo de aba. But omo pa omo mra challenge.
Lutu omo.
So omo mra e. Oni pani ba ku ba wo bonsum. What you say?
So final words na yanko.
Me final words ne say me de asida be ma Nyankopon ene o Zion Felix. Ene onipa ehwe mi nyina but unim me fa de wentwa to say upon all the atumi nyina no na me de spiritually nu sem krofo bi kutia me se obi na dwen se oba me emwa na tax ekono so ba nyame adom Nyankopon yi nyame krofo bi a omoboa me mpaibo mo wa breakisa ne mani afiri me so eye me maame ye fe ne Reverend Doris Bonsu ki mama Okuforidua Reverend Francis Ejei on so Accra osofu kira bosom asofu no bebre e ka me mpaibom enti sese no enkane na me so ne ma sese de enema na yasuesi ho enti sese me nim se Nyankopon ne enam so sabi me fra we wa misa me kapre wa misa me sempoa what to car all the way from Accra ana ne me abehia Nyankopon na bie kwan no enti me da obi ase obi oboa me mpaibom sikamu bibia mu no me da obi ase obi a me ni time for me nyini se mo time for what time so ya wa wasem me nim se obi adome me so me do obi a nti me da mu nyina ase mo nko so an support Ghana boy ebi so a on say interview sha ebi na person o hwehwe me a o hwehwe me Ghana boy TV or YouTube so a more videos because niam no doso na me person me I want to die as a hero I want to die as a hero dachi bi na ebi kra ye be tro me din ye de me din be kira de school mu. That is what I want to do.
What is idea be? Let's talk a little bit about that.
Okay.
Do you think you deserve a state burial when you die? And I say you must state burial when you die. Looking at what you've done for us from '96 to 2012, like so many years, like 24 years.
Of course, I deserve more than that. Nipa na member to no na Bishop Okala no ye bi ma no. Ana Okala nso no be si na nan Okala be wu nso hira me. Okache me so odi nim de nyina hira me. Enti no I deserve ana din Ghana boy no. Me di Ghana din na nam. So be hwa me costume bibia no. Me share red gold green. Enti no me portray Ghana be bia me ko bia outside be bia anti I deserve more than that. Yeah, enti me I deserve state burial.
No uchi we wako aban from wa.
Well, minya access me kai say Okala yi ase na me the former president John Dramani Mahama me ko chia na ye nyina na ye ko chia na ba me duru me chia na sem yi me ho di kire no ana awon se na nipa no do so nti me bo masem tia wa se papa they atu me ni o nti me hiamwa and he was like okay mate wo de a kire wo beti me nka but from there no maintain nka bi na me ni access bia so am de be ko ne nchen ana me kama sem gum from mem sebi o ye gina ha ye ka sei e bia ma no fom kakra bia me gidi sempanyfo beti nti me ka sempa na se o mo anso so tie na so pem nya afi na me ko gina we so asemesi yemse onum say we dey sorry o enyumi kwa media bay my national road safety song yeah my road safety song me nyo bia mpom ampushim enyum no and so my wi o aka video ametwa
the road safety commission for mem
exactly
okay
yeah
okay nzen kama aban so ntse hiamwa
me hiamwa nti oboa me anka onye ebone kora omfom kwan
ema gana fo na sa aban twema wonwu ansa ebe egu yasum
sa
ebe chese yedo
yeah on say sabiu min kan yi ebone wuye na yi ase na hoda ne friend say political campaign platform but ebia me so metie modi ma me na me didi a me kra kora ni beje na me wu na ko first kan be ma yi ase be yi ase won ye hwe nti no me mo bi akuti ana say me nka say nti wi bada ya asem adesre ana say nyansa sem kana meka meti ase mo ma me nidi na me kra so nye den emra ne ho
mobile money no money bi
0247 10 44 30 0247 10 44 30
0247 10 44 30 0247 10 44 30. That is the mobile money number with me. I send this kind of Ediama Ghana boy. Me here is Zion Felix. Kuma say and I me was see am Ghana boy and come. But I say so to me share. I'm sure so between your born as well. Nyankopon ebetimi e sure. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye bye.